this is very exciting for us because we're actually doing a reveal of a brand new model this weekend. Are we doing it right now?
It's a world exclusive to you guys and to Scale Matters. It's something we've spent the last 18 months working on. This is the first test build outside our Hong Kong head office, and literally the paint is still wet.
Yes, it's
even the weathering score.
It's seriously cool. It's something I'm really excited about. I was buzzing to see it yesterday. I got a sneak peek, but this is well, no one else in the world.
I'll let you unveil it.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Are you ready to do it now? Are you sure?
Yeah.
Well, I feel a lot.
I'm nervous.
I'm nervous too.
If it was a beagle, you'd be really annoyed, wouldn't you? Or my Jeep. Just gently pick it up.
Wayne's having a sneak peek. I'm going to try and pick it up without taking the sheet off, and then I'll take the sheet off. So, Wayne, if you want to grab this.
No pressure, Martin. It's all in your hands.
Is it heavy?
The transmitter's over there, but I'll be driving you around later.
I have to say, it's a fantastic thing to control. You have to be quite delicate with it, though, because if it wants to go, wow, this is it. So do you want to pull the cloth off?
No, I'll whip it off in a
You're going to whip it
dramatic
off. Just
fashion.
don't rip anything off. Don't catch the aerials.
Are you ready?
There we go.
Oh, and wing mirrors.
The mirror.
Oh,
So
look at that.
this is a development.
Oh, look at all these suspension.
We've had a D110 for quite a while. We do a station wagon, we do a pickup. This is our D130 with the correct suspension at the rear end. It's got the bigger bed, obviously, the long wheelbase, the correct wheels, Wolfrace Wheels.
That's
Each kit
Set it
takes
down.
us 24 months on average to develop.
You too heavy for you, Martin.
I just wanted to dive into it really. As I say, this is the Defender 110's been out a while now, hasn't it? And this is an extension of the range, the Defender 130 double cab, which of course, as with the rest of these, can be built and customised to look either
100%.
brand new, factory fresh, or as you've gone for on this, bit of work wagon,
Yeah.
some logs in the back, some weathering. Really, really cool. And
It's also the vanilla kit, i.e. this is what you get when you buy the basic kit. You can get things like under arches for it, you can get other accessories. We are going to do a very special hop-up pack for it, which I'm not allowed to talk about until after Scalefest in Germany in a couple of weeks' time. But when we release it, it's going to blow a few minds. So we better convert that and the 110 into something very, very special and licensed.
this is the other thing that you touched on just now is there's lots of brands out there that kind of look like Land Rovers, but they're not allowed to look too much like Land Rovers because then they get in trouble with JLR's legal team. Whereas you actually go out of your way to license every
I live in
single one.
Solihull, I can walk to the factory, I can walk to the licensing department. To me, it's very disrespectful to build a model and not license it. I always prefer, with every company I've ever worked for the last 20 years, to always license it.
Absolutely, it's the right thing to do because, well, as you can see, the realism is just off the charts, absolutely amazing. And they're really a blank canvas out of the box, aren't they?
100%. You can mini-me your own vehicle. You can create something that you've always aspired to own but can never afford. There's so many things you can do with them once you get the basic kit. And it's not a 2-day build. It's 30 hours, 50 hours, 100 hours even, depending how much detail you want to put into it.
Absolutely.
I just realised mine's still driving.
Really challenged by the camera. I was going to say actually, I'm really, really pleased to be able to bring my scale down to Series 3. If you've been here before and you've seen my Series 3 truck at 109,
A year to the day.
a year to the day I got my first boom racing kit and I've brought it back complete to show off on the boom racing stand.
So you didn't bring his full-size one to go
I
with
did.
it.
Look, fuel's expensive, right? 15 mpg wasn't going to
Tow him with the RC one.
I had to. I paid him the 110, but yeah, go and check that out. I'm delighted with how it's come out. And yeah, if this kind of thing gets you excited, I think there's a lot of overlap between full-size Land Rovers and modelling and scaled-down RC stuff. Check out the live action demo arena that Boom Racing have got on. You can have a go around some man-made obstacles, and also there's a really, really cool off-road course that the guys have built.
It's the perfect winter project as well. With the long nights drawing in the winter, you can sit all winter and build one ready for next spring. For the next time we do this.
Exactly that, and it isn't just, full-size Land Rover shows. There's dedicated events for off-roading and trialling with these models.
Yeah, we've covered it in the magazine. I run an event twice a year called the UK Scale Nationals. The last event was on the 2nd and 3rd of May earlier this month. We got over 600 people attending. We raised £6,000 for Macmillan Cancer. We do good while having fun. We do it twice a year, and it's been running 16 years now.
And look, much like the full-size Land Rover scene, it's an incredibly welcoming community. It's really, everyone's out to help everyone else, everyone's out to have a good time.
There was lots of newbies at the recent event that all got helped, if their truck broke down, somebody would help them. We all ran to the spares place and bought a spare and got it fixed for them. The community's growing, it's like a snowball. But there's a lot of lapsed RC people that had one in the 80s, maybe haven't had one for 30, 40 years. They're getting back into it as they get older. I mean, I'm retired officially, unofficially I'm working harder than I've ever worked, but I'm doing things I want to do now.
Absolutely. I was going to say, I know myself and a lot of my friends, we all had Tammys when we were teenagers and kids, and we grew up with all that, and then life happens. But this is like the perfect way of fulfilling your Land Rover passion, while also, as you say, having something to do all those cold, dark nights where you don't want to go outside and lie with your Land Rover. Settle down with a cup of tea or something stronger, while away a few hours building. The chassis builds on these, you have to show off underneath later on. They're so lifelike, it's unreal.
You're never having this back.
Wayne has commandeered the Hawkstone 109, I think.
It's all beer in the back.
Ah, yeah.
There is scale beer in the back.